Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making a chocolate pound cake. So let's get started. And I'm going to add 1 cup of butter. Okay, that's a cup of butter. Now I have 1.5 cups of sugar in the bottom, and you need to have your butter at room temperature. Blending up the sugar and butter. I added a teaspoon instant coffee to the water here. This is hot water. I just microwaved it for 5 minutes, and I added the coffee to it. I'm adding 4 ounces of chocolate. It's 100% cacao chocolate. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it up and add it to this hot water for the cake. I added the chocolate to the water. I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 eggs to the butter and sugar. Okay, you're gonna mix 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And by the way, that chocolate that I use is unsweetened chocolate. And so you're gonna just sift everything, mix it together, and sift it through the sieve. And I just added mine to a plate because it's easier to place it in the blender. I'm adding the flour and cocoa. The warm water, the melted chocolate, and also the instant coffee. Preparing my loaf pan for my pound cake. I'm just going to add some flour. I'm just going to spray this pan and then add some flour. I coated the pan at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and place the batter in the loaf pan. This is what the cake looks like after I took it out of the oven. Now it has cooled off, so I'm going to go ahead and add some frosting to it. This is the frosting I will be using on the cake because I'm kind of running out of time. I don't have time to make it today, so I'm going to use this store-bought. This is the frosting I will be using on the cake because I'm just going to add some chocolate to the top of it, not the sides, because it's got so much chocolate in the inside of the cake. It looks beautiful. It's going to taste great. It looks great. So if you like this recipe, like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.